Okay, why is a 7-year-old and a mid-50s-year-old in gear? Was there a bet, or not really a bet, but a challenge?
Yeah.
What was the challenge?
We're gonna race.
You're gonna race. What are you gonna race on?
My dirt bike.
Your electric dirt bike.
Mm-hmm. What's he gonna race on?
And what are you gonna race on? Oh, I see it.
Right over there.
The not electric Huffy Pro HX. That doesn't have an extended seat post. All right, good looking. We'll bring yours down here. Let's take a look at it. Luke is running the number 77 plate. Luke 77.
And I'm gonna win.
And you think you're gonna win
Yeah.
on your electric motorcycle versus the mid-50s on the Huffy HX Pro. Looks good. Here is the track. One's going to start from this side of the car, the other's going to start from that side of the car. It's going to be best 2 out of 3.
I'll start from this side.
Whichever side you start from first, the next race you'll start from the opposite side. Do you want to do a practice run?
Yeah, can I do a practice?
Yes? Yeah, absolutely. Where? Okay, he's done gone off the track. Here's a practice run. There. That's the track. It's the down from here to the end of the pavement. If you can see that. Here comes the riders now. Looking a little squirrely.
What are we doing? Just right at the edge of the car?
Yeah, right at the edge of the car. Is your power on this time?
Yep.
Give it a little goose. Okay. Is your power on this time? All right. I'm going to try to get both in. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go! Oh. That was one win for the BMX. It's not looking good for the dirt bike. How do you think that went? How do you think that went? One for the mid-50s man, 0 for the 7-year-old Luke.
There's 2 more rounds, I mean, so.
Well, only one if he wins. You won't have to go a 3rd round if he wins 2. Means you can't catch up. Are y'all gonna switch sides?
Sure.
Not that bad. I feel like that side has more room.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's not really as much room right here.
No, there isn't. Hold on. Round 2. On your mark, get set, go. This was no contest. But he did came close at the end.